Unboxing power sound remote control exhaust valve. It's a remote bypass valve for the exhaust. Alright, so we got ourselves some gaskets here. Decent gaskets. Control box, key fob, almost a T-bar clamp. Good quality. Nice. What else have we got? Power and control wires. Nice. Ooh. Big heavy V-band gasket. Very nice. I'll unbox all these in a second out of the plastic. 2.5 inch dump with a V-band. Very nice welding too, by the way. I'm going to get a close-up shot of that. Oh, nearly. Trying, guys. Oh, a little further, a little more. Oh, there you go. Very nice welding. Very decent. Coming from a welder. That's good. Okay, so that's that piece. Yeah. Butterfly with motor. Very nice. Pull that out in a second. And here we have the weld-in Y piece. Again, pull that out in a second. We'll just take everything out of the box. Supplied bolts. Some spring washers. Nylock nuts? No, just normal nuts. Okay, let's piss that off and let's I'll be back in a sec with all this set up. And welcome back. So, here I've laid out all the parts. You know what some parts are and what other parts are not. So, just in case you don't know, got an extension cable here. Pretty much. Got a cigarette 12 volt connection for the control box. Power. Again, and that's for the motor. That's a power plug. Round one. So, control box. Your key fob, it's got a finger lock so you can see there, lock, unlock, sort of, just, yep, close enough, lock that up, no accidental presses, good stuff. The V-band clamp, it's very, very nice, welds are pretty good, it's all flashy, 2 gaskets, T-bar clamp, we all know what bolts look like, that's the motor. With nice little standoffs. Doesn't get hot. Good for high vibration, high temperature. We got the little 2.5 dumpy. Again, all the welds look good. I've had a look at all the welds. The ending of this one's not so flash, but it's got a little edge there. But it's not like I'm gonna touch it every day. Weld-in bypass. Again, very simple. This will be to your catalytic converter, tailpipe, or exhaust tip, and this is the bypass and gaskets and clamps and one of those things. Press a button there, some power, and it'll bypass all your mufflers and just pretty much have a straight out. Got to have it behind the catalytic converter, behind the cat, and then straight out. Beep beep brum brum.